Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find the second, third, or nth matching value in Excel using a simple formula. We start with the filter function, which extracts only the values that meet a specific condition. The first argument defines the range from which we want to extract values. Here, it's the sales data column. The second argument is the condition we apply. We specify that we only want rows where the product is pen. This creates a dynamic list that includes all sales linked to the lookup value. Now, we need to return a specific match from this filtered list. We wrap the filter inside the index function. The first argument of index is the filtered results, which contains only the sales values for pen. The second argument determines which specific match to return. For example, setting this second argument to 2 returns the second occurrence of pen from the filtered list. Changing it to 3 retrieves the third match, and so on. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.